Yaoundé, capital of the Republic of Cameroon, Central Africa. Each day, the Endangered Express arrives from the country. Traders drop their bags of illegal bushmeat down outside the market. Inside the bags are slaughtered wildlife from Cameroon's forests. Each day, similar scenes are being repeated in every town and city of Central and West Africa. An estimated 3 or 4 metric tons of this bushmeat arrive in Yaoundé each day. And each year, 1 million metric tons of wildlife are consumed in Africa. This trade has been banned in Cameroon, but today, like nearly every day, there is no sign of the law enforcers as the bags are carried up to Eligjoa market. Most of these chunks of meat are parts of small antelopes known as duiker, but they might be bush pig or porcupine. Yaoundé's housewives inspect the quality and bargain over prices as they might for any other item on their shopping list. But primate flesh is more rare and more highly prized. A brace of monkeys sells for the equivalent of £5. They can be singed for an extra 50 pence.